Hello everybody. Today we will discuss the unboxing of MacBook Pro, which is 16-inch MacBook Pro with M3 Pro chip, which is released on late 2023 November, which is a high performance laptop designed for high professionals like video editors, graphic designers and developers. Here is a key breakdown of its features. First, we will discuss about the processor, CPU and graphics GPU. We have two configurations are available: M3 Pro chip with 12 core CPU, which is 6 performance cores and 6 efficiency cores, and we have 18 core GPU. It is upgradable to M3 Max chip with either 14 core CPU and 30 core GPU, or 16 core CPU and 40 core GPU, offering even more processing power. Next, we will discuss about memory and storage. It starts with 18 GB RAM, which is unified memory, but can be configured with higher capabilities if required. The base storage comes with 512 GB SSD, but can be upgradable to other options. Next, we will discuss about display. It has 16-inch liquid retina XDR display, which is high resolution and mini LED technology for excellent contrast, and HDR, that is high dynamic range. Next, we will discuss about connectivity. So it comes with 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports for connecting high speed peripherals and displays. We have one HDMI port for connecting to external monitors, and we have an SDXC card slot for transferring photos and videos. We have one headphone jack, and it comes with MagSafe 3 port for charging and connecting magnetic accessories. Next we will see other features, like it comes with Magic Keyboard with Touch ID for secure login, and also it comes with fingerprint authentication. It also has Force Touch trackpad for precise and multi-touch gestures, and it also has long battery life.